All right, we're going to solve this equation for x. We have 2 divided by negative 3 equals 4x. Ding, ding, ding. On the left side, I have a fraction. So what do you think I should do on the right side? Let's make it a fraction by putting a 1 on the bottom. Now I have a fraction equal to a fraction, and I can cross multiply because this is a proportion. So 2 times 1 is 2. Then I can bring down my equal sign. A negative times a positive is a negative. 3 times 4x is 12x. Now I don't want negative 12 times x. So they're timesing, so we're going to divide. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. These will reduce to a 1. Now I've got a positive 2 divided by a negative 12. A positive divided by negative is a negative, and then I can reduce 2 over 12. Well, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 12 6 times, so we get negative 1/6.